Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here I have Bvot wireless mobile Wi-Fi. This is a MiFi device, right? So in this video I'm just going to show you how this thing is set up, but first let's just take it out of its box. Okay, the box there. Right, this should be the instruction manual. Yes, so I'm sure all the settings that you need, user manual, to set this device up are here. Okay, so let's just put this to the side, and okay, there's also a charging cable in there, and the device itself, the Bvot. Okay, all right, so this is a 4G MiFi router. 5G, this is just for marketing purposes. There's nothing like that. All right, so let's just see what it's like. I'm sure to turn on the device we just press here, but okay, let's see if we can open this thing up. Okay, just needs a little bit of, yes, let me put that. This is the battery. As you can see, it comes with a 2100 milliamp hour battery. Let's just take it out as well. Okay, just put it there. Right, as you can see, 4G 5G wireless router. Now here there's the IP address where we can access the setup, and it works with frequency 158, 38, 39, 40 and 41. So you just want to check if whatever MiFi router you are using is compatible with the mobile networks in your country. And as you can see, the username is admin and the password is admin. We'll get to this stage later. And here, this is where you put the SIM card. You just make sure that it's seated properly, like that, and lock it up. All right, that's how you place your SIM card. See if you can put the battery back. Right, the battery was like this. Okay. Okay, and all right, this is better. All right, so let's long press on this button here. These 4 bars obviously are indicating the battery. This is the Wi-Fi, and this is internet. If this light is blue, which means we have internet connectivity. In this case we don't. So what I'm going to do right now is go to the computer and configure this. Remember, you use the IP address that you saw on the cover, 192.168.100.1. It might be different for your MiFi router, but that's the one that I'm going to use. So right now I'm switching to the computer, and yeah, we'll take it on from there. All right, so right now I'm on the computer. I want to set up the MiFi device. So I come here under networks. As you can see, this one, the one written 4G MiFi. I'm just going to click on that. And password, as you saw that what was written on the MiFi router itself, it's 123456789 All right, so let me click show password. As you can see, 0. I'll click join. And okay, just waiting. Okay, as you can see, right now it's connected right here, so it's refreshing here. You go to where it says 192.168.100.1 login. Now I want English. Like in this case, this one is written in Chinese, so if you come to the corner, right to the corner here, you can change the language. I want it to be in English. And as you saw, the login is admin. So let's say admin, right? Admin. So admin is the password. Now we're here once again. Let me see if I can change the language. I'm going to the right hand side here, pressing on English. As you can see, it's saying 4G offline. There's signal, which means it's recognized the network, and the SIM card is valid. So if you place the SIM card properly, you should be able to get a signal. But now we want to make it work. But the first thing that I want to do is obviously create my own personal SSID, which means I want to rename my Wi-Fi. Here it's just written 4G MiFi. So let me just call it the ZIM Okay, Zimtech. Let me call it Zimtech guy, right? And the password, I'm going to just leave 123456789 there for the purposes of this video, and click modify. Okay, do you want to modify it? Yes. Okay, so what should happen is that I'm sure I should be booted out if it works properly. Exactly, I should be booted out because I've renamed the Wi-Fi name. All right, as you can see on the list, Zimtech guy is now here. So let me just click on it. The password, remember, this will be a password of a preference. I'm just doing this for this example. 90, okay. 123456789. Let me just click join, and it should refresh here if it's connected. All right, now when we come to advanced settings here under router, as you can see, the MiFi router has already allocated an IP address for us, which is the one that we were using to connect to, and it's also added the subnet mask, DHCP server, everything. I'm sure everything that's here, you can leave it the way it is. All right, so let's come here where it says APN. This is the most important part. This is the access point name. Now you need to get the access point of your mobile network. In my case, I'm using net1. The access point is internet.net1. So that's the one that I'm going to place. So I'm going to come here where it says APN, and I'm going to type internet dot net1. Right, it's internet dot net1. I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and come here where it says user and paste it here. And if I come here where it says PDP type, this is the packet data protocol. I suggest you just use IPv4 and IPv6 so that it can support both protocols. And config name, you can just leave it the way it is. MCC, this is the mobile country code of your network, and mobile network code as well. This is auto-generated from your network. So these are the most important things that we need to put right now. So I want to come here by the corner where it says modify, and let's see what goes on. Let me just click modify. So it's saying change success. Now if you come back, already you can see that it has auto-populated under config list. It's saying 3549, and under even at the top here, as you can see, this now is now, it was red before, and now it's just clear, it's just white, meaning that we've automatically connected to the internet. Under MCC, you can see the mobile country code is 648, mobile network code is 01. Since net1 was the first mobile network in the country, so it allocated itself 01. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how we've connected already to the internet. Just to let you know that we've connected to the internet, let me just come here and go to YouTube. Maybe click on YouTube. As you can see, it's loading my YouTube. So yeah, it's loading YouTube. So pretty much this is how you handle settings. But just for curiosity's sake, let's go under here, SIM card. Depending on the number of card that your router takes, you just allocate the appropriate SIM card that you're referring to. Channel select, I just leave it the way it is. Upgrade, this is when you want to upgrade your MiFi router. And system password, this is when you want to remove that admin password and add a more secure one. I would advise you to actually do that. And other, this is USB mode and network mode. You can choose here whether you want 3G, 4G, or 3G and 4G. Ideally, just leave it on 3G and 4G. So pretty much that's how you connect a MiFi router. So as you can see already, the blue light is blinking, meaning that we are connected to the internet. So this is how you set up a MiFi router. Even if you're working on different networks, I mean, the concept is the same. You just need to add your access point name. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.